Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Here.
Talk to me a lot about those machines and how those work.
That's very thoughtful.
Put some like little boards and all of that, like those. What do we call the main motherboard? And you put like get those motors so you know it's spinning. That's why there's like a little accelerometer built into the control board, which monitors the spin speed and oh, it's spinning. So this is how it's. So there's a motor down there spinning. It has like a motor down there, and there's an accelerometer. So I'm going to show you how it works when the washer picks up speed. So during the spin cycle, the motor down there, you know the motor back there on the machine, that the belt, the motor, and it which it drives the belt and it drives that big pulley for the tub. You know the big motor for the tub. It spins really fast and there's an accelerometer built into the control board which monitors the vibration. And the vibration when the washer picks up to its high-speed spin, this is how fast it goes. But right now it's on a normal warm cycle. But the washer itself picks up like the various high-speed spins, and it spins like very fast. Think about 550 rotations per minute as this machine is going to go, but the thinking washer spins a lot faster than this one. But on the control board, there's an accelerometer built into the control board, which it monitors the vibration and balancing on the load, because there's a sensor which monitors the balancing, so the load doesn't get unbalanced and then makes noise. So it's smart, it knows when the load is unbalanced, it stops it and then it would do it a couple of times, and then it's going to restart the machine again. So once it gets above that speed, it means you know it's spinning. So there's a little, and it vibrates a little bit, but in order to keep the washer running smooth, you have to remove the shipping bolts on a machine. There's like 4 of them, like I think on the back side. You have to remove the shipping bolts, and also you have to make sure the machine is leveled. You know those leveling legs down there, like 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. You have to make sure it's line it up right, and then you get your level surface, and then make sure that the washer is leveled. And then once after that, and then it's gonna keep spinning until it comes down. You have 2 minutes left, so after a minute it's gonna slow down because the drain pump itself needs to stay on, so making sure so it doesn't have as much water left on the laundry before the machine picks up speed. And because of that door lock, the door lock will be activated. Like this one right here, it's gonna unlock. There it goes. So this machine, it's gonna be unlocked, so it's done. And then this one's at 2 minutes, but it's gonna slow down here in just a second here. Yep, this is the Speed Queen front load washer. I think it's a 60-pounder machine, but it's a nice looking machine. It has a nice window to it. It locks it and it locks it, which is really cool. And the motor, you know the big motor down there, which is located on the back of the machine. In order to get to the motor, you have to like take the back off of it. Usually there's some couple of screws, but just make sure you unplug it first. And that way you have fully access to the drive system, which it monitors the washer vibration. But it just dropped down to 1, so it's gonna slow down any minute now. So there it goes, it's slowing down. And when it's slowing down, then the drain pump motor and the control board motor shuts down to allow the washer to slow down. And there's some brakes will be apply a bit, but this one does not have some brakes, which helps it winding down. On this one, it doesn't. But it's gonna come to a complete stop in here in just a second. Watch. See, it's winding down. It's winding down and winding down. It's gonna come to a stop. So you know it's almost done. And once after that, and then it's gonna do an anti-crease because after it slows down, it's gonna tumble it a couple of times. So help you distribute the laundry. You see, it tumbles like just a little bit, and then it will keep continue until the time is expired. And once after the time is expired, then the door will unlock because this machine has a mechanism that locks the door. So if you listen, then the door is gonna unlock you in just a second after it tumbles, which it pushes. Oh, listen. Boom. Right now it unlocks it, so this machine will be open. So again, to open the door, just push that lever. It opens to the unlocked position. And to close the door, simply close it and push that little lever. There we go. It latches. Again, to open the door, push down. Boom. And same thing goes on this one. To open the door, simply push that little lever right there. Push in, nice and hard. A bit harder now. Sometimes it's kind of hard. Oh, we have an area code EUB. EUB. Huh. We need to fix that one. All right. So that's how those machines work during the high-speed spin.
Alright, William, come say goodbye to Miss Jackie.
Bye, Miss Jackie. I've been making a video of how to wash the door lock, how to wash the spin cycle works.
Thank you for the card, Miss Jackie.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. We're going to come